Oh, hey everybody, how are you doing? You're catching me while I'm grilling hamburgers. Hey, I've got an interesting trick that I want to show you. You want to save your seeds from your garden, from your plants that did really well. Well, cucumbers is one of them that for us did extremely well. Angel canned lots of them, and we've been making fermented cucumbers and fermented pickles, lots of different stuff. So let me show you something. You want to save your seeds so you can plant them again next year, right? And sometimes you've got really big seedy ones that really don't do that well or don't taste that well, but they're great for that. So what I want to do is, first of all, cut in half. Don't cut yourself. Cut in half your cucumber. And you want to be able to extract your seeds and dry them out. Now you're going to notice something. The seeds are at different placements depending on which side you look at. Kind of interesting, isn't it? Well, let me show you something else. How do we get the seeds out? Well, it's actually really easy. I am going to extract them into this box so they can dry. So what you do is you just squeeze them and they actually just start shooting out. Sometimes they will literally shoot at you like that. Okay, now I've got my seeds for next year. They just need to dry now, so I'm going to transfer them into something where they're going to dry a little better. Cardboard box would be good, except I've got a lot of them here. This was just one of the fun things we just found out.